Hello, grammar mates. My name is Teacher Ralph. I'm a teacher at Gonsirisat School, Chunbury. Welcome, and I will be your grammar buddy. I'm teaching grade 5 and 6 students. And in my lessons, I will introduce you in the world of grammar. For the whole duration of my lesson, we will be using the book Fundamentals of English Grammar, 4th edition. Today, I will be teaching about present simple and present continuous form of the verb. Okay, before anything else, let's start with the question again. What is grammar and why is it important? Okay, let's read together. Grammar is the way that words can be put together in order to make sentences. So, as you can see, one part of grammar is the tenses. So, present tense or present time, as defined here, is used to describe things that are happening right now or the things that are continuous. Let's see some examples of the tenses. We have the past, the present, and the future. Okay, we have the past, the present, and the future. Okay, when can you say if it's past tense, present tense, or a future tense? A best example is yesterday, today, and tomorrow. For the present tense, you can say it's sunny today. Is it sunny today? For example, it's very sunny today. It's sunny today. So in the past, you will say it rained yesterday. For example, it rained yesterday. The verb here indicates it happens in the past because the verb was added with the letters ed. And for the future, you will add will, the word will. Tomorrow, it will be windy. It will be windy. Tomorrow, it will be windy. Okay. For the next examples, we have here also one best example is this morning. Now is in the afternoon. Now is in the afternoon. So it's in the present. This morning happens already in the past. So this morning I ate a banana. I ate banana this morning. But now I am eating my lunch right now. So when we say right now, it is happening now at the moment, night. This morning happens already in the past. For example, now is in the afternoon. So this morning happens already in the past. And tonight will be happening in the future. So you're already traveling in time from this morning, now, and tonight. For today's topic, we'll focus on the tenses in the present form, present simple, and present continuous. Okay? Present tense. For example, let's open our book in page number 1, chapter number 1. Present tense. As you can see, number 1, we have there. Hi, my name, blank, Konyo. Okay, what do you think is the answer? Hi, my name, blank, Konyo. What's the answer? Anybody can guess? Correct. In the present form, you will say, hi, my name is Konyo. It is happening right now. If someone is asking you or telling you, what's your name? Hi, my name is Konyo. Today, it's happening right now. Somebody is asking you. Number 2, you will answer, hi, blank is blank, Maria. What do you say? Hi, my name is Maria. Very good. Good job. Okay. The next items, we have numbers 4, 5, and 6. We will say, I, blank, glad to meet you. What do you think is the answer? We have here, meet, am, and to. What do you think is the answer? Good job. The answer is, I am glad to meet you. So, what will be your response? I am glad to meet you too. Very good. Okay, for numbers 7, 8, and 9. Look at your items number 7, 8, and 9. 7. Where blank blank from? What do you think is the question? Anybody can answer? Where blank blank from? Correct. Where are you from? Where are you from? Number 8, the answer is you. Where are you from? What will be your answer? For example, if I'm asked where you're from, my answer is I'm from Philippines. But the answer here, Maria answers I blank. Number 9, I am from Mexico. I'm from Mexico. Very good. Where are you from? Number 7, are. Number 8, you. Number 9, am. Where are you from? The answer would be, I am from Mexico. That is in the present tense. Okay, now, we will see what's the difference between simple present and present progressive form. Okay? For example, we have in this picture. What can you see? A man. A man is what? What is he doing? What does he do? He walks. Where is he walking? At the lobby. Okay. For example, in the present simple form, you will say he walks. For example, he's walking at the park. He walks at the park. He walks at the park. Did you get it? In the other example, in present progressive form, you will say, he is walking right now. So the verb is changed with, added with ing form. In the first example, in the simple present, the infinitive verb was added with letter S. But in the present progressive, it was added with ing. Why do you think? These are two different types of sentences. We added letter S in simple present because it's in the third person singular. We use the pronoun he. If the subject is singular, the verb should be in singular form. So walk is added with letter S to make it singular. But in present progressive form, it has a different form. We added ing instead of S. Because ing form means it's still happening. It's still continuing to happen. At the moment, right now. Right now, it's still happening. So right now, you can see the boy is walking, right? He is walking right now. Okay, for the next photo, you will see what are they doing. For example, I speak English. I speak English. But in present progressive form, you will say, I am speaking English. Right now. You can say right now. Now I'm speaking English. But maybe later on, I'll be speaking Filipino. Or I'll be speaking Spanish. Or I'll be speaking Japanese. Now, but maybe later, I will not speak English anymore. The number one definition of simple present is if the sentence is a fact or in general truth. If it's true, it is simple present. Okay? So if it's true, it's in a simple present form if it's in general truth. So what is general truth? Let's have an example here. Cheetah runs fast. Are cheetah running fast? Are they running fast? Look at the photo. Cheetah runs fast. Is it true or false? Maybe in this video it's running slow, but in the actual happening, cheetah runs fast, right? It's one of the fastest animal in the world. So, cheetah runs fast. Is it true or false? Circle the true if it's true, and circle the F if it's false. Is it true or false? It's true. So, it's in general truth. So, it's in simple present form. Number 2, it has 4 legs. Can you see the cheetah? Does it have 4 legs? Count. Right now, count the legs of the cheetah. I can see 5. No? I can see 4. It has 4 legs. So, it's true, right? But maybe some cheetahs has 3 legs or maybe 2. Is it true? If it's true from them, but in general truth, cheetahs has 4 legs. So, the sentence is in simple present form. And lastly, the last example, it catches its prey. It catches its prey. Is it true? True or false? It's true. Okay. Our infinitive form of verb is catch, but we added es because the last letters of our verb is C and H. I will not give you more examples about this, but later on in our Zoom videos, I will give you more examples in adding S or ES in our verbs. Okay? Don't worry about that. I know you can do it. But right now, I want you to listen and understand first if the sentence is true or false. So we will know if it's in simple form or if it's in present progressive form. Okay? Okay. Number 2, if it's in regular action or repeated action. We will have an example for that. I eat cereal every day. So do you do it every day? If it's in regular basis or you do the action repeatedly, so the action is in simple present form. For example, I eat cereal every day, but actually I'm eating rice every day. So I eat rice every day. For me, it's a regular action or repeated action. How many times do you eat rice every day? 2 times a day? 3 times a day? So I eat cereals every day. So this form is in singular present form. She plays chess after class. After class, she plays chess. So this is a simple present form of the sentence. I do homework every night. Every night. This is in repeated action or a regular action. Okay. Can you see what are the words there that tells us that it's happening in a regular basis or in a repeated action? The words every day, after class, and every night. Okay, these are what you call time expressions. Time expressions. Can you say it? Time expressions. Can you give me some examples of time expressions like every day, every night? Any other examples? Always? Yes, can be. Usually? Sometimes? Never. Every day? Every week? Every month? Every night. These are some examples of common time expressions that you can add in your simple present form of the sentence. Okay. How about in a present progressive or present continuous form? Number 1, explanation. We have action happening right now at the moment. So what are the actions that is happening right now? As you can see, we have here some examples. I am teaching online class right now. So I am teaching online class right now. Am I? Is it true? It's true. So it's happening right now. It's one examples of our present continuous form, and we added the letters ing to make it into a present progressive form or present continuous form. Okay? You are watching me right now. You are the doer of the action. You are watching, right? If you're listening, say the word there, listening, watching. These words are, it means that it is happening. It is happening right now, but maybe later it won't happen. Maybe later you will go play badminton. You are playing badminton later. Okay, he is looking at the computer. Look at the guy at the picture. The guy there, he is looking at the computer. He is looking, right? So right now, he is looking at the computer. So these are examples of present continuous form. Okay, let's read together. I am teaching online class now. Number 2 is you are watching, right? You are watching me right now. You are watching me right now. You are watching me right now. And number 3, he is looking at the computer. He's looking at the computer. Are you looking at the computer? So you're the doer of the action, looking. You add the letters ing. Okay, for number 2, it is in present continuous form or present progressive form if it's still happening and not necessarily in exact moment. For example, we have they are living in a tent for now. For now, they are living in a tent, but maybe later or after they went home, they will be living in their house. So, not exactly in this moment, but still happening. They are living now in a tent. Number 2, James is learning Thai language. James is learning Thai language. Again, we still have this ing form plus the infinitive form of the verb. Number 3 example, I'm reading a novel at the moment. I'm reading a novel at the moment. Okay. Now, for now, right now, at the moment. Okay, these are examples of common time expressions in the present continuous form. Okay, remember, now, right now, for now, at the moment. Okay, common time expressions. Practice number 2, please open your books in page number 2. Chart 1-1, simple present. Okay? Tab. First example, I am sitting at my desk right now. So now is the word there, now. If there's now, it is happening right now. So what do you think? Is it in simple present or is it in the present continuous? Correct. I am sitting at my desk right now. Correct. I am sitting at my desk right now. Number 2, I am sitting at my desk every day. So the word every day is a regular action or a habit. What do you think is the answer? Is it in the present, continuous, or simple present? Correct. I sit. So to be I sit at my desk every day. Number 3, I am doing grammar exercises every day. Again, the same with here. Every day. Time expression, every day. Which one do you think? Is it a simple present or simple present continuous? Correct. Simple present. I do grammar exercises every day. I do grammar exercises every day. Number 4. I am doing a grammar exercises right now. The word here, right now. Exercises now. At the moment. What do you think is the answer? It is in a progressive or continuous form. I am doing a grammar exercise now. Good job. Okay, let's try to look at the practice number 3 chart 1-2 simple present part 1 statement forms. Okay, we have here number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5. Okay, I blank English. So number 1, please. Number 1 example. I speak English. I speak English. In a simple present statement form. Correct. I speak English. How about in a plural form? They. They speak English. Correct. They speak English. But how about in the pronoun he, she, and it? What do you think is the answer? He, she, it. He, she, and it are third person singular. These pronouns are having a verb with what? S. Added with letter S. So instead of saying he speak English, you will say he speaks English. Okay? And number 5, say, instead of saying she speak English, you will say she speaks English. She speaks English. Okay? Good job. He speaks English. See? You're learning. Okay. How about in negative form? How do you do the negative forms of a simple present form of a sentence? Number 6. Let's see. Which are the third person singular? He and she. Right? Okay, let's try to find out. I do not or does not. Okay? What do you think is the answer? I do not speak English. I don't speak English. You can say, I don't speak English. Okay? When are you going to use do and when are you going to use does? I'll explain it to you later. Okay? Do not and does not. They. This is a plural, right? Plural. So, do not. They don't. Instead of saying they do not, they don't. What? They don't speak English. They don't speak English. And lastly, last example for the third person singular form of the third person singular form of pronouns, we use what? Does. Okay? Remember, third person singular. He, she, and it. We will use the form of the verb with s. But this one, instead of putting s into our verb, we will use the word does not. Does not. Okay? Don't be confused. Instead of using the word do not, if it's third person singular, you will use does not if it's in negative form. Okay? Instead of adding s in our verb, you will put es on the word do. So instead of saying do not, you will say does not. He what? He does not speak English. He does not speak English. So we will use do not and does not. If it's in third person singular, you will use does not. But if it's in plural form or a singular form, like I, you will say do not. Do not. Okay, for this part of our video, please answer practice numbers 4, 5, and 6. Answer practice number 4, 5, and 6. Finished? Good job. I know you can do it. Okay, for our next topic, chart number 1-2, present progressive or present continuous form, page number 3. Okay, we have here the words collect, collect, cook, play, run, work, conduct, drive, program, train, write. So let's see how are we going to put them into a sentence. Okay, for example, number 1. Leo is a piano player. Leo is a piano player. It's true. Leo is a piano player. So, Leo is replaced with the pronoun he. He what? He play or playing the piano in the restaurant on the weekends. This is a regular basis. So if it's in regular basis, we will use the simple present form of the verb. So we will answer like he plays the piano instead of he playing the piano. Okay? Number 2. Akira is an orchestra player. Akira is replaced with the pronoun he. So we will answer he what? He conducting the City Symphony Orchestra. What do you think is the answer? Akira is an orchestra player. He conducting the City Symphony Orchestra. What do you think is the answer? Correct. This is in a simple present form. We still add the letter S. Practice number 6. Simple present. Complete the sentence with do, does, or this sign, 0. Number 1, if the sentence is correct, put the 0 sign, okay? But if it's wrong, you should add do or does. You should choose either of the two, do or does. But if it's correct already, put number 0 in the blank, okay? For example, number 1, Polly and Scott. Polly and Scott. Blank work in the office. Polly and Scott. This is a plural. Do or does? Do. If it's plural, use do. We use does in what? Third person singular. What are those? She, he, and it. Or if you're referring to another person. Okay? They. They is a plural. Use they blank own a small construction office. The sentence is already correct, so we will put number 0. So let's read. They own a small construction office. Number 3. The company. We are referring about a company. This is singular. So this could be a third person singular noun. What would be the answer? The company does not build house. The company does not build house. And number 4, the company repair houses. The company repairs houses. This is already correct. So we put the number 0. Holly and Scott do not or does not. Plural noun. Do not. Very good. Good job. This part of our video, let's go to chart number 1-2, practice number 7, present progressive. Okay, part number 1, statement form. This one is in the present progressive or present continuous form. So let's have an example first. What do you think is the answer? I blank English right now. I am, because I should be followed with the verb to be am. Speak, our infinitive verb, and we add ing to make it into a progressive form or continuous form. I am speaking English right now. I am speaking English right now. Am I speaking English right now? Yes or no? Yes, correct. That's true. They are speaking English right now. Are they speaking English? They are, because they is a plural. They is a plural. So we use the verb to be are. He is, and you are, and she, what? She is. So instead of saying you is and you am, you will say you are speaking English right now. And lastly, she is speaking English right now. Is she speaking English right now? Yes, she's speaking. For our next topic, negative forms of present progressive form of the sentence. For example, we have number 6 here. I do not, does not. What do you think is the answer? Remember, we use does if it's in third personal pronouns, like he, she, and it. This is singular, but this is not third personal. What do you think is the answer? Correct. Do not. I don't speak English. You will say, I am not speak English. You will say, I don't speak English. Number 7, they. They is a plural pronoun. So we'll say, they do not speak English. They don't speak English. He is a third personal pronoun. Remember, third personal pronoun, we will use the verb to be. We will use does instead of do not. We will use does not. He does not speak English. He does not speak English. Also with number 10. She does not speak English. She does not speak English. She doesn't speak English. Can you say that? She doesn't speak English. Or number 10. Number 9, you say, you what? You don't speak English. You don't speak English? Got it? Good. For this part of our video, please pause our video and answer exercises. Practice number 8, page number 5. Let's have a recap, okay? For our recap, let's have a game first. We have the simple present and present progressive. You'll choose SP for simple present and PP for present progressive. Okay, number 1. Let's read together. I don't speak English. I don't speak English. Number 2. She eats durian every day. She eats durian every day. Number 3. He is eating a burger right now. He is eating burger right now. Number 4. They are riding bikes. They are riding their bikes. And number 5. She brushes her teeth every day. Okay. Please remember that if you see the time expressions like every day and right now, they will have a clue for you to follow, right? So, for example, number 1, I don't speak English. I don't speak English. Our verb is in the simple present. So, the answer is SP. Number 2, she eats durian every day. This is a habit. So, you do it every day. The answer would be in simple present form. SP. He is eating burger. He is eating burger right now. He is eating burger right now. What do you think is the answer? Right now. Time expression right now. Eating. ING form. Present progressive. Correct. They are riding their bikes. Riding their bikes. Riding. Present progressive form. Okay. She brushes her teeth every day. What's the answer? Simple present SP number 5. Okay, let's have a review for our lessons. Simple present, present progressive. It is in simple present if it's a fact or in general truth. Repeated action or it's a habit. Okay, remember that. It's present progressive if the action is happening right now or still happening, continuing to happen. Okay, facts, general truth. Say the examples here. Cheetah are fast. So it's a truth and it's a fact. The same with this examples. He is a man. It's in general truth and it's a fact. Repeated action. Eat cereals every day. Do homework every night. Repeated action. And lastly, present progressive form. Usually present progressive form has the form with the ing letters. Okay, so don't be confused. Action happening right now or still happening. But how you do it in a sentence is do like this. I'm teaching online class right now. I'm teaching online class right now. You're watching me right now. And he is looking at the computer now. So we have the ing forms. Remember, okay, for our homework, please answer practice number 9, 10, 11, and 12. Pages number 7. After that, we will continue our videos in Zoom conference. So, I did have fun in our lessons. Did you enjoy? I'm so happy that I have given you some knowledge for today. Bye.